Hello, my name is Phil Beresford Davis and I'm the proprietor of a small RPA services company called rpaforyou.co.uk. Yes, I know it's a bit cheesy, but it's kind of memorable. It's a shame I can't speak. Hi, Phil Beresford Davis, that's me. So, what do I want to show you? Oh, got something interesting. Have you ever heard of Microsoft Cognitive Services? No? Or maybe you have. Well, did you know it's possible to use a robot to ingest the information from a form, such as this one here that I've mocked up? This is the DVLA driver vehicle license application form. And I've been able to take this, working in conjunction with a former colleague from IBM who now works for Microsoft. The wonderful Matt Turnbull and I have been able to create a process where we can extract the information that is on this form and use RPA to do it. Do you want to see how? Would you like a quick demo? So here we go. I have got, let's do a little bit of a tidy up. And let's explain first of all what is happening. We're using the RPA product from UiPath. I'm going to delete this output file for the moment, and I'll come back to it in a little while. We have a number of saved images. What we do is that we use the robotic tool to go and look for particular areas on the document, and we take a snapshot. We keep the snapshot of the document, such as here. You can see we've got a snapshot of the driving license, and here is the representation in the form of a snapshot. And what we do is we send that snapshot up to the Microsoft Cognitive Vision service. So, shall I show you how we do it? Very simple. So here is a process flow that has got 4 steps. It'll take the surname, first name, the driver's number, license number, and the address. And what we'll do is we'll just pop into the first one and we'll go and invoke this process flow. And as you can see, there are a number of steps. One of the steps is to take a snapshot of the screen. So let me just show you how we do that, show you how easy it is. We literally take the document and we mark the document like so. We say we'd like everything that appears in this field, in this document and any other document. So let's just take that. I'm actually going to be a little more generous. I'm going to take the bottom part as well, just to show the hanging of the G and Y is captured. And the fact that we're going into the other box shouldn't really cause us a problem. So now, having saved that, we've got the process. We have a little bit of Microsoft magic going on here. I'm not going to go into how we actually do it. I can use and talk to you about that later. But for the moment, without further ado, let's actually run this process. So we'll go back to the process flow and we'll start the robot. And now we are running the robot. And what I would expect is very quickly for the screen to pop up. There it is, the Adobe Acrobat screen. And while this screen is up, at the bottom of the screen here, we should see that there is a UiPath robot running. And that will run for a few seconds. Eventually that will just disappear and this should start flashing. It doesn't take long normally. And there you can see it has actually finished. I could have a message box pop up, but I just haven't got round to that at the moment. I'm so excited to show this off. So now it's run. So if we now go and look at the output file, we can see that we've got some new output files. So let's go and have a look at that last name with the hanging text. Yes, okay. That shouldn't cause us any problems. Sorry, there's the hanging text. You couldn't see that. But what we should now see is if we go back into the project and go into the handwriting output area, surprise, surprise. So we've got Montgomery Brown, and then we've got Edward Charles. And maybe a little bit of casework needs to take place there, but I can probably train the service a little more than I have. But that's not bad, is it? If you'd like to know more, why not give me a buzz? 0772 505 9151 or PBD at, in fact, I'll leave this on the screen for you, PBD at rpaforyou.co.uk. So, what are you waiting for? Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.